discuss some important questions for various competitive exams. Moving to the first question. Who launched Chandra X-ray Observatory in 1999? A. Russia, B. India, C. USA and D. China. Answer is option C, USA. Chandra X-ray Observatory, it was previously known as Advanced X-ray Astrophysics Facility, and it was launched on July 23, 1999 by NASA. The telescope is named after the Nobel Prize winning Indian American astrophysicist Subramanian Chandrasekhar. So, the Chandra X-ray Observatory was launched by USA. Moving to the second question. The Japanese city known as Asia Gateway. A. Osaka, B. Hiroshima, C. Fukuoka and D. Tokyo. Answer is Fukuoka. It's the biggest city in Kyushu Island, Japan. We'll discuss the rest of the options. Osaka, it's the largest port city and a commercial center on the Japanese island of Honshu. Due to different types of delicious food items available in Osaka, it's known as Nation's Kitchen. Hiroshima, as we all know that on August 6, 1945, the atomic bomb explosion had took place in Hiroshima, and it's the first city that was targeted by the United States Army Air Force. The name of the atom bomb was Little Boy. Hiroshima Peace Memorial, it serves as a memorial of the bombing. Tokyo, it's the capital of Japan and political and economic center of Japan. So the Japanese city known as Asia Gateway is Fukuoka. Moving to third question. The youngest Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh. A. Yogi Adityanath, B. Akhilesh Yadav, C. Rajnath Singh, D. Ram Prakash Gupta. Answer is option B, Akhilesh Yadav. Akhilesh Yadav of Samajwadi Party has served as a CM from 2012 to 2017 at the age of 38. Discuss rest of the options. Yogi Adityanath is the current Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh. He took his office from March 19, 2017 onwards. Ram Prakash Gupta was the 80th CM. His term of office was from 1999 to 2000. Rajnath Singh is the current Union Defence Minister and he was 90th CM of Uttar Pradesh. So the youngest Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh was Akhilesh Yadav. Fourth one. Which country had an eternal president? South Korea, North Korea, China and Japan. Answer is option B, North Korea. Eternal president, it refers to the practice of granting posthumous titles to deceased leaders of North Korea, and this was established by a line in the preamble to the constitution as amended on 30th June 2016. Since 30th June 2016, incumbent Kim Il-sung and Kim Jong-il are the eternal leaders of Juche Korea. So the country that has an eternal president is North Korea. Fifth one. What was A.P. Vajpayee when he addressed the UN in Hindi in 1977? A. Prime Minister, B. External Affairs Minister, C. Finance Minister and D. None of these. Answer is option B, External Affairs Minister. We'll have a brief discussion about A.P. Vajpayee. He was born on 25th December 1924 and has served 3 times as the Prime Minister of India. First term was of 13 days in 1996. Second term was from 1998 to 1999 for about 13 months. And third term was from 1999 to 2004 for about 5 years. He was the first Indian Prime Minister, not of the Indian National Congress Party, to have served a full 5-year term in office. Died on 16th August 2018 and his resting place is known as Sataiv Atal. In August 2018, Naya Raipur was renamed as Atal Nagar, and in October 2018, 4 Himalayan peaks was named after him. So A.P. Vajpayee was the External Affairs Minister when he had addressed the UN in 1977. Moving to the sixth question. The country with 4 official languages, of which one is Romansh. A. Singapore, B. Switzerland, C. Canada, and D. Israel. Answer is option B, Switzerland. The 4 official languages of Switzerland include French, German, Italian, and Romansh. We'll see the official languages of Singapore, Canada, and Israel also. Singapore, there is 4 official language, that is Chinese, English, Malay, and Tamil. For Canada, 2 official languages are there, English and French. Israel also has 2 official languages, Arabic and Hebrew. Seventh one, the award created by Napoleon in 1802 to reward civil and military service is A. Legion of Honor, B. Order of Liberation, C. Colonial Medal, and D. Medal for the Military Protection of the Territory. Answer is option A, Legion of Honor. It's the highest French order. We'll have a discussion on the rest of the options. Order of Liberation. It's awarded to heroes of the liberation of France during World War II, established on 16th November 1940, and it was last awarded on 23rd January 1946. The Medal for Military Protection of the Territory was established on 30th July 2015. It's awarded to the military personnel of the French Armed Forces for service during national security operations on French national territory. Colonial Medal, established on 23rd July 1893, and it was last awarded on 6th June 1962. So, Legion of Honor was the award created by Napoleon in 1802 in order to reward the civil and military service. Eighth one, what is Tatmadaw? A. Myanmar's army, B. German army, C. Bangladesh army, and D. Army of Greece. Answer is option A, Myanmar's army. So, Myanmar's army is known as Tatmadaw. It is administered by the Ministry of Defense and it composed of the Army, the Navy, and Air Force. Also, it includes the Myanmar Police Force. The German army, it is known by the name Bundeswehr. It's a unified armed forces of the Germany and the civil administration and procurement authorities. It was founded on 12th November 1955. Headquarters are at Berlin, Bonn, and Potsdam. Army of Greece, it is known by the name Hellenic Armed Forces. It's a combined ground, naval, and air forces of Greece. It consists of Hellenic National Defense General Staff, Hellenic Army, Hellenic Navy, and Hellenic Air Force. It was founded in 1828. So, Tatmadaw is the name of the Myanmar's army. Moving to the ninth question. The year in which Saddam Hussein was executed. A. 2003, B. 2005, C. 2006, and D. 2004. Answer is option C, 2006. We'll have a brief discussion about Saddam Hussein. He was born on 28th April 1937 and was the 5th president of Iraq. And he was captured on 13th December 2003 by the US Army. On 5th November 2006, Saddam Hussein was convicted by an Iraqi court of crimes against humanity to the 1982 killing of 148 Iraqi Shias and sentenced to death by hanging. And he was executed on December 30th, 2006. So, the year in which Saddam Hussein was executed was 2006. Move to the 10th question. Who owns the company that makes Riva electric car? A. Maruti Suzuki, B. Tata Motors, C. Mahindra and Mahindra, D. Toyota Kirloskar Motors. Answer is option C, Mahindra and Mahindra. Mahindra Electric Mobility Limited, formerly known as Riva Electric Car Company. The company's first vehicle was Riva electric car. Riva was acquired by Mahindra in May 2010. Founder is Chetan Mani and it was founded in 1994. Headquarters is at Bangalore. Have a brief discussion with the rest of the options also. Maruti Suzuki, it was formerly known as Maruti Udyog Limited. Headquarters is at New Delhi. Coming to Tata Motors, it was formerly the Tata Engineering and Locomotive Company, Telco. Headquarters is at Mumbai. Toyota Kirloskar Motor, it is a subsidiary of Toyota Motor Corporation of Japan with Kirloskar Group for the manufacture and sales of Toyota cars in India. Currently, Toyota is the fourth largest car maker in India after Maruti, Hyundai and Mahindra. Headquarters is at Bidadi, that's at Karnataka. So the company that owns Riva electric car is Mahindra. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video useful, kindly share, watch and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.